hiding. Her hair flows forth with me without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. I know, when I compliment her, she will believe me. And you, it's so sad to think that she don't see what I see. Every time she asks me, do I look okay? And I say,
I see your face. There's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing, just the way you are. And when you smile, the whole world stops and stares for a while. And you're amazing, just the way you are. Her lips, I could kiss them all the day if she let me. Her love, she hates when I think it's so sexy. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. You know, I never ask you to change. It's perfectly what you're searching for, then just what the same. She won't even bother asking if you look okay. You know I'll say, see your face. There's not a thing that I would change. 'Cause you're amazing.